This is episode 2B. Okay, now what I promised to you when we finish what's the first video, the episode number 2A. This is a 2B. I'm talking about Ambroxan. Okay, what is Ambroxan? First of all, it is used in big quantities in Dior Sauvage. I personally buy it in Poland via eBay site. You can buy it everywhere. Avoid China because I will not put Chinese product on my skin, at least not liquid one. Okay, so what is Ambroxan? First of all, Ambroxan basically is a synthetic take on ambergris, which is a dry sperm whale. I don't know how to say it in a different way. This is why I prefer the synthetic version. It helps perfume, and the perfumer, they add it in their perfume to give some airy, salty sea effect, and it helps also to project. Okay, so what I do, okay, you can eventually spray it once on your clothes, like some viewer says, but I try it many times, and for chemical reasons, for blend reason, it's not perfect. It's okay, it's more easy. However, let me give you this tip. You deserve it. Buy those. This is a travel bottle. It's a 15 ml, 1.5, as you see. You can have 10 ml, whatever. The 15 ml is more useful, by the way. It's made of aluminum and glass, okay? Prefer those from plasticky one, okay? It's around $5, so you see it's not expensive. It's even less than $5. You can buy it on eBay. Some people use Alibaba or AliExpress. I prefer US product and US brand. My choice. Okay, so first you order Ambroxan. Okay, my is EDP concentration. It's 100 milliliter, and I bought it for $25. It's not cheap. However, consider it as a perfume, as eccentric. Number 1, 2. They also have Ambroxan. They have Isoe Super. Next episode will be basically on 3. Number 3, episode A or B, will be a review on perfume, plus at the end of the video Isoe Super, and we'll talk about Isoe Super. This time is Ambroxan molecule and perfume and scent. Okay, so first of all, don't use too much of Ambroxan because it will change the scent of your original perfume. Okay, if you adore a perfume, let's give an example. La Nuit de l'Homme, it doesn't last. On me, it doesn't last at all, so I don't even try. However, there is one that was reformulated and I was really a fan of, which is Paco Rabanne Black XS. Okay, this one stays and lasts on my skin maximum 4 hours. Before it was 11 hours. So what I do, you have a perfume that you like and that is weak, or you think you can make him perform better, you just take out the sprayer like this, then you fill, look, there is a plastic or silicone stuff to fill the bottle. You will fill 90% of the bottle with your weakest perfume that you really like this. Yes, it's starting, you see. For example, on every 9 spray of this, you take out the cap and you put basically 10% from this. Not more. If not, it will change. Nobody tell you about it, but it will change the scent profile. Okay, so 10% of this, then so 9 of the other, 1 of this. Don't use it. Let it rest in your room, in a dark place, not in the fridge, because it will not blend and not macerate, and not in the sun, of course. So let it for a week. If you don't have patience, 5 days will do it. And then every 6 hours, just shake it. Okay, shake it a little bit, just 20 seconds. Shake it, let it rest, and after that, oh yeah, this is another level. It will not necessarily last longer, maybe 30 minutes longer. I try to really analyze it, but it, for me, it lasts 1 hour, specifically this one, other not so much. Specifically this one, in place of 4 hours, it stays and lasts on my skin 4 hours, and after I make this mixture of Ambroxan on my shirt, it lasts 6 hours, which is good because the new formulation is a catastrophe. The other bottle, you remember, like a zipper. This one, not my cup of tea. However, the projection is multiplied by 3 because it's very weak, this actual. So I hope I really help you on this one. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up to my videos. I really not get paid by nobody. I make it honestly. I don't accept perfume, so don't forget your new channel. Bye for now.